Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the error code 288 in Roblox. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. And usually this error occurs due to the weak or unstable internet connection or firewall blocking the Roblox or VPN or proxy interfering or the temporary Roblox server outage or corrupted Roblox installation or cache. So what we are going to do is we are going to fix all those issues. So first step is to check Roblox server status. So for that you need to enter into your browser and search for status.roblox.com. Yeah, click Roblox status and it shows like all system are operational. It's good to go. If in case had any issue, it shows over there and you need to wait for some time. Now in our case it's good to go. So our next step is to disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN, please disconnect it. For that you need to enter into the settings and following network and internet. On that, the third option, you need to select VPN. You need to click VPN, which is on the top. Yeah, here it shows there is no VPN is connected. If in case you had connected, it shows the VPN address and connect or disconnect status. So please disconnect the VPN. Yeah, and our third step is to restart your internet. For that you need to enter into your system and troubleshoot and following other troubleshoot and please run network and internet. Once you're done, it shows the status. In our case it's okay. If in case you had any problem, the troubleshoot option is over there. Please troubleshoot it, or else you need to run the network test and restart your Wi-Fi and network adapter and restart your modem or router or access point. You need to plug in and plug out your router if in case you are using Wi-Fi. Yeah, after that you need to restart your PC for better connection. So our next step is to allow Roblox through firewall. So for that you need to press Windows R and type control firewall.cpl and then press OK. Yeah, just press OK to continue. Yeah, once it's done, you need to select allow an app or feature through firewall defender, and after that you need to find Roblox and check whether private and public server is checked in or not. If not, you need to enable it. So our last step is to restart your system. If the previous steps is not worked, please reinstall the Roblox again. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.